Okay, today our project is going to be, well, it's going to be a few days on this one. This trailer, I picked it up along with that truck over there. Alright, dump truck. And a backhoe, all in one deal. Anyway, as you can see, this deck is shot. We are going to try to figure out what we're going to need as far as planks and screws. They all look like about 2.5 inch, quarter 20 Torx. So, time to figure it out. We'll get the ruler out, measure it up, see what kind of wood I can get, dimensions that are going to fit this thing. You know, it's really a good trailer, it's just the deck is shot. Everything else is good about it. It's a tri-axle beaver tail. I think they call it an eager beaver. You can see it's got some heft to it. That I-beams that run down the sides are huge. Huge. And it's heavy. And that's going to house the backhoe, or I shouldn't say house the backhoe, that's going to hold the backhoe for traveling. Do different jobs here and there. Pretty much I'm going to use it for our gold mining property down in North Carolina. It's alright, well, let me see what we got to do to get this thing figured out. Let's measure across. Alright, I got 64 inches wide. And let's see, right there. Can we grab it? Yep. Down to this end here. This looks like it's over 16. 16.6, I'm gonna say, so we'll try to figure it out. Let's just take the whole board length all the way from the front to the back, and we got 20 feet. 20 feet. 64 by 20 feet. Alright, now we got that information. Go do some research on boards. Try to figure out okay, what we've done is went to Home Depot or Lowe's, I can't remember, and we picked up a bunch of pressure treated lumber. This is all like 2x12s, I believe, to them offloading. They're 8 foot and 16 foot. They're pretty heavy because they are treated and saturated. There was nobody around when I started this project, and this is one way of offloading material that you can't handle easily by yourself. You can use leverage, slide things around, make it work for you. I believe at this point I was recording and I didn't have the audio set, so I just decided to speed things up for you on this one and let you watch the whole unloading operation. Let's turn the mic on, right? One more. Okay, so that's how I offload wood anyway. If you're here alone, one way of doing it. Okay, the next thing on the list is to, well, I guess to get all that decking off the trailer. Let's go take a look at it. It's going to be fun. Really a lot of fun. There you go. So as you can see, it's very beat up. There's holes in it. It's rotted out. Somebody stuck a piece of plywood on it to cover up some holes. Take you around the back here. Back is even worse. Big mother holes there. And I'll tell you what, boards up the other side are just as bad. Probably the only good board in here, this one right here. All the rest of them are shot. Some of them you walk on, you're like sponge. Yeah, that's bad stuff. So, that's the project. All that wood to redeck this trailer. And of course, this is going to be a trailer backhoe gets hauled around with. Nice trailer, it really is. Not in bad shape. Brakes and axles are in good shape. The whole trailer itself is not bad. Do something up here with this trunk compartment. Got some hinges on it. Figure out I'll make a cover for it then. Keep the rain out of there. Just take a little bit of welding. Little diamond plate. Cut the size. Alright, we're going to leave it right where it's at here. So next time you see this, we'll be working on getting the deck cut off of here.